Next tonight, most of Scotland's remaining legal COVID restrictions have been lifted today.
Businesses no longer need measures in place to help prevent the spread of coronavirus, and contact tracing has been dropped.
Rules around wearing face coverings on public transport and in shops remain in force. Iszatt reports.
COVID restrictions have now eased across the south of Scotland, with businesses no longer having to take contact details, and they're able to remove signage and sanitisers. But not every business is ready to give up all precautions.
We're actually keeping a lot of things in place just to keep all our customers safe and obviously our members of staff. We've actually sat down with the staff regarding masks, so all the staff are going to be wearing their masks during the forthcoming period. It'll be up to the customer. It'll be them to decide if they want to wear the masks or not. It's really, the main thing is safety. Yeah. Really, that's the main thing. I thought I'd actually be right. I want to get on. I do want to get on with it, but at the same time, you know what I mean, as you say, somebody could be sitting over there and you don't know. You just didn't can. So it's like, well, for the sake of putting a mask on, then you may as well stay safe.
Now, not all restrictions have been lifted. People are still expected to wear masks in shops, hospitality venues and on public transport. First Minister Nicola Sturgeon said that's because there is a rise in COVID cases. But are easing some rules and not others confusing?
Definitely, because I work in retail, so like all the rules are totally different, so I don't know where we stand with it all. Yeah, and retail part, beauty part as well, so yeah, no idea what's going on.
I think the big difference is the restrictions being different across the border to here. I think that's what's confusing folk, because I've seen a lot of people locally coming across and they're no way wearing masks in shops and everything, but they're probably free across the border.
But it'd be quite good to be without the masks as well, but I would like to be a bit safer before we can be.
Definitely. I've got a cafe in town and you're always reminding people to wear masks. Track and trace, all that's finished today. Yeah, I think it's positive. We'll have to move on. It's been 2 years, a long 2 years. But yeah, we'll have to live with it for a long time, I think.
The last of the restrictions will be reviewed at the beginning of April. But for some businesses, it's going to be too late.
Companies House are saying that there's the amount of people going into receivership now in restaurants is up by a fifth on the last quarter, so that's not a good sign at all. We're getting to a time now where we are really struggling. It's down to the businesses as well, as best they can, to encourage people to try and give that customer confidence back, to say to people that we are a safe place to be, and we all know they are, because people are coming back out and we are seeing people, you know, start to come back out.
As COVID continues to affect 1 in 14 people in Scotland, public health and keeping people safe remains a priority. So for now, masks aren't going anywhere. Iszatt, ITV News, Galashiels.